Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Remotec ZXT-800 smart air conditioning controller hub and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this not connecting or not syncing with your app or with Wi-Fi or anything like that, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now you'll need to set it up again if you do this. That's the second reason you might want to do this if you're trying to set this up in a new location. Or on a new network, anything like that. We can go ahead and just wipe everything, get it back to the way it was when it came out of the box, and set it up anew. So it's real easy if you want to do that. First of all, you need to make sure you have at least 20% battery. If you try this and it doesn't work, it might be because there's not enough battery, because it will not take this instruction if there's less than 20% battery on it. So what you need to do is really simple. We're just going to come in and this middle button, the program button, we're going to press and hold it for at least 10 seconds. And we'll know we're done because the LED will light up at first for 5 seconds, and then the LED will flash twice and then stay off once it is completed. Once that happens, it will be disconnected from the network. All of the configuration parameters will be restored to the factory default, and you can go ahead and turn it on and set it up as a new device.